I'm Sammy Miles. I'm the Managing Editor-in-Chief with AMP Publications. I'm here at the AMP Annual Conference and Expo with Jack Blundell with ROCKWOOL. Thank you for joining me today.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Now, can you tell me a little about your company and the products y'all offer?
Yeah, ROCKWOOL is the world's largest supplier of stone wool insulation. We've been in business roughly 85 years, and we're headquartered out of Denmark. We have around 45 manufacturing facilities across 39 countries. And within the ROCKWOOL group, we have a specific division called ROCKWOOL Technical Insulation, which I work for. And that really focuses on the heavy industrial segment. And we have products geared toward process or onshore, but also marine and offshore insulation. And our stone wool is focused on the high temperature or the hot applications of piping and equipment across most of the common large industrial, heavy industrial type things like refineries, petrochemical facilities, power plants. So that's kind of our focus. Yeah.
And can you tell me what some of the challenges are with corrosion under insulation?
Yeah, if you really in an insulation system, right? It's all about corrosion insulation is about water being trapped under the insulation and being on metal. The real key is keeping water out of the system, and there are various challenges with that, not just with the components themselves of the insulation system, but things where it becomes important of looking at the early design of what is that insulation designed to do. Is it designed to keep water out of the system? But also things like inspection and maintenance. You don't know if you have water a lot of times in the insulation system. Are they doing the proper routine and maintenance activities to determine if there is water, and then preventive things if there is? But also you can provide perfect insulation materials, for example, for a system, but if it's not properly installed, for example, the installation becomes very important. So if you have improper installation, that is something that then can allow water to get in. So from our perspective, and really the challenge is keeping water out is the big thing, yeah.
And what is the importance of choosing the right insulation?
Yeah, again, it goes to this concept of keeping water out. AMP actually has standards that say that an insulation product that can keep water out, but if water does get in, it dries quick. These are really critical things from an insulation system specifically. ROCKWOOL actually has a product line, a portfolio that includes a technology called water repellent technology. And what this is essentially doing what AMP and the experts have said is keeping water out, but then it's allowing the system to dry. So our stone wool solutions are based on that. There are additional things that are important, things like having durability over a corrosion temperature range, whether it's stainless steel or carbon steel. These are going to corrode at some different temperatures. Is the insulation material with that water repellency going to be able to perform over that range? And there are other things like insulation materials that have like low leachable chlorides becomes an important thing. But the real meat of it has to do with keeping water out initially, and then even after, if water does find its way in.
Okay, great. Has ROCKWOOL launched any new innovations?
Very excited to announce. One product that we've launched is what's called our ProRox MA960 with WR-Tech. So that includes that water repellent technology that I talked about, and that's really completing our portfolio in the water repellency family of solutions. And again, it's helping in areas in addition to our pipe sections where maybe larger diameters or more flexibility is needed. In addition to our blankets having the water repellent technology, we actually also launched a new pipe section recently that has the water repellent technology built into it, but it also includes what's called our FR-Tech, which is our fire resistant technology. And this is geared toward heavy industrial facilities that are processing hydrocarbons and need what's known as hydrocarbon pool fire protection. So again, this solution then offers both that fire resistant and that water resistant protection. So really with this, what we're trying to do is really stay ahead of water, both now and in the long run with these type of insulation solutions.
ROCKWOOL continues to be a leader in the industry, and thank you for joining me today, Jack.
Yeah, we really appreciate it. Thank you very much.
And once again, I'm Sammy Miles with AMP Publications, and thank you for joining us today.